Hey guys, so today is raining and I will not get out now. I'll try to fix my bicycle here, this stuff. Let's see if I can fix by myself because the store is closed. This is the bike store. That's the door that goes to the dorms. It's the workers' door. And here it's my building, here's my bicycle. Let's see if I can put this like here. My Swiss knife doesn't have the tool, so I asked the guard and he gave me this. Let's see if I can find one that suits. I don't know how to use this shit. It's raining. Now I received a messaging WOLT that if I start to work I can receive 20% bonus for each order. No way I'm gonna work now. Let's see, I got this new tool. Let's see if I will be able to fix. This is too big. I need a very small one. Guys, the problem was really simple. I was just very dumb. I could just move like this. Yesterday I tried to move, but I thought if I went hard it would break. But I went to the bicycle shop and I said, can you fix this? He just like took the hand and did this, and I felt so dumb. But that's it. So maybe today will work. The day is not good, but this is fixed. That was the most important. Hey guys, leaving to my second day of work. I'm wearing a hood that it's good for the rain, and another one because it's warm. Here my bag. Let's see, I hope it doesn't rain. I will try to do maybe 3 or 4 orders. Let's see how it will be. So I will start to go to a place that I think there is a lot of restaurants, and let's see in the way if I get some orders. I will not record a lot because of the battery. So yeah, bye. I delivered the first one. It was difficult. This region I work, it's a lot of hills. I should not work here. I think I worked like I ride 3 kilometers delivered to this building, and it was 18 shekels just. Wait. Also, it's a mistake to come with 2 coats because I'm so warm. Like, I brought this because of the rain, but this is also very warm. I think I will use just this open now. I'm triple WOLT, and WOLT. Well, but it's difficult with the normal bike in this region. I need to work in another region. Put my coat here. Here I have a bottle of water, and here I have the charger of my cell phone. This was in a shopping mall. It took long to become ready. Now I'm going to my bicycle. Let's see. Now I'm in an apartment of rich people. Fuck, it's raining. Fuck. Look. No, my bicycle will be wet. Ah. Well, now I saw that I could stop the bicycle here, but I put outside. Fuck. So here I touched the apartment I want, and then they see me in the camera, and then that's it. I think I would change my coat, put the one for rain, and maybe go now. Fuck it. It's raining a lot. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but now I'm ready. Let's go. Fuck it. Now that I am already in the rain, first of all, who does roof with hose? What's the point? I might do some orders in the rain to see how is it. I put the coat. Let's see if I don't die. This is a rich part of the city. Why? No way I'm gonna take an order now. I'm gonna come back home. So today, in this rainy day, I did 2 orders. In total, I ride 7.1 kilometers. I received 36 shekels and 15 shekels of tip. That's good. So in total, I got 51 shekels.